Hi, my name is Attila. I am a mechanical and automation engineer. My company name is Challenger Engineering, located in Carmichael in the Sacramento, California area. I have several developments in the glass industry. I show you two in this video. The first one is a crack-off machine on the glass lathe. It's not available on the market with my concern, and I can put on this crack-off system any glass lathe you want, and it a certain job is help you a lot. This version is good for a 15 to 150 millimeter diameter, but I can make a different version that is good for 150 for a 300 millimeter. What I'm going to first show you first, the cracking of this guy. This is a 51 millimeter outside diameter and 5 millimeter wall crack. After that, I will show you several glass figures that is came out from my other development. The development is a graphite mold, and I will show you some of the graphite mold. After I will show you how to crack off an unnecessary part from the cowboy head. Look at the sign I will show you later. You can contact me with this email. By appointment, I can show you the actual visual of this machine. Thank you. Let's go to the action. I want to mention you the stretch tools. There is a diamond, there is the spring loaded, and the spring power is calibrated. This part here has a purpose, because the better if the diamond is scratched the middle of the tube. Okay, because this is adjustable. If you have a bigger diameter, we can adjust like this. Okay. However, this part just gives you a support on this way, but didn't give you a support on this way. If your hand is not accurate enough, it's better you have a support like here. If you have a support like here, this bottom part is not necessary, and you can make a stretch like here. This torch has three different tips. There is the basic model, the small tip with 3 flames. I have another tip that is slightly bigger and 6 flames. And finally, you have a star tip with an extended arm here, 6 flame for a bigger diameter tube. I want to mention again, for a choke attachment, if you put on an attachment just like this, all around the 3 jaw, look at this, I put on here, it's more visible. You can use an application like here to hold the tube inside. Okay? Another one we are already talking. If the choke is not big enough, you have a bigger diameter glass, you put on an attachment like here all around, and you can use the biggest tube. Thank you. This is a 75 diameter tube with 5 millimeter wall. Did you see the dramatically different between the 3 flame and the 6 flame? Voila! This is the first type of the torch strip. This is a 6 flame. In this torch strip is developed with a big diameter tube. This tube is 150 millimeter diameter, 7 millimeter wall. Look at this. Okay, look at this way. And this is the next, 1 second, I'll just make a different. This is a attachment on the chalk, which is means I can put on the bigger diameter tube, as you see, because this chalk is not enough to open it this way. That's it now. Small school, okay? You can make with a different color, any color you want. This is going to be the percolator into the glass pipe, okay? And now I show you the mold. There is the graphite mold. And I'm sure you see you have a small hole on it. This hole in the high point to let the air escape that I'm blowing into the glass. Okay? I show you the next one. Thank you. I can make with a different color if you want. Now look at this white spot here. This white spot, it is a special paint. It's burned on 1100 Fahrenheit. This is the glowing paint. If the night light, it is glowing, it is my development, okay? But this camera and this light is not good enough to show you. But if you come here, you can see that. This thing is already looks, it's already assembled with the glass pipe, just to show you the option. This is a cobra head, and this is show you the option with this system. You can make even the complicated mold. Of course, different color, whatever you have an imagination. It is a different story, but I say the option is unlimited. The twisted version of the Star Wars figures. Not exactly same, it is a different because I don't want to get any copyright, but as I just show you, if only the imagination and the skill give you a limitation, what can you do with this mold system that I developed? Of course, as I mentioned you, it is a graphite mold. Okay, this is a twisted version of the glass war figures again. This is the glowing eyes, okay? And of course, you can make it with a different color if you want. You can make a funny version like this. You can put an inside the glass pipe like this. Again, it depends on the imagination and the purpose. This is the big school I designed to make at this one to top of the glass pipe. As you see the white spot around here, again with the glowing paint. And my idea is to put on the cowboy hat the top of it. Okay, of course this one same as the others, you can make any color you want. This is the cowboy hat, okay, with the clear color. This is the cowboy hat also with the brown color. You can make any color you want. And of course I have an idea to put on the cowboy hat to top of it. This is going to the top of the glass pipe. Now I'm going to show you. It is come out the mold from this way. This part is not necessary because the coming to the cowboy hat the top of it. That's why with my crack off machine, I mean on the glass, I'm going to crack off here and I will can put on the head. Of course, the head can be a different color. You can twist it to turn down, turn up, whatever your style, or whatever your imagination. Okay, now let me crack off this one. It's already cracked off, okay? And of course the cowboy head is going to the top of it. Well, this is what I want to show you now. As I said, you have an option to look at it all stock alive if you make an appointment. Contact me on this way. Thank you.